Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on XSI Academy. I'm Johan and today we are diving into something that is called linear search. So linear search is one of the simplest searching algorithms in existence, and it is a great starting point when you want to understand how an algorithm works. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, in Xcode we're going to open up a new playground. Here it is. So we're going to do next, and I'm going to call this linear search. Let me make this a little bit bigger so that we can read it. Okay, so for the people who don't know what Playgrounds is, Playgrounds is a way that allow us to play around with code. So we're gonna get rid of this. Linear search is a straightforward searching algorithm, and it works by checking each element in a list one by one until the desired element is found or the list ends. So imagine you have a list of numbers and you want to find one specific number. Linear search starts at the beginning of the list and checks each number until it finds the one that you're looking for. Okay, so let's create a list. So we're going to say var numbers is equal to array. And let's say 1, 2, 4. Oh, let's do a space there. 4, 6, 8, and 12. Let's make this a comma. So how this works, what we can do, we can say func linear search. Let's open this one up just like this. So we can say r, and this is going to be an integer. So let's open up an array of int. So that's the parameter. After that, we're going to say target, and the target is going to be an integer, and we're going to return an integer value. Okay, let's open this one up. So the easiest way to do a linear search is using a for loop. So we can say for I in 0 dot r dot count. And now we can say if r, let's open this one up, dot y is equal to target, we can do return I, and then after that we're going to say return -1. So what we're doing, we declare the function of linear search. It takes the parameter of r, so our array of integers, a target of int, and a return value of integer as well. So now when we call linear search, for the array we can say numbers, and let's say for the target we're going to say 8. So now in here we can run this code and let's see what the function retrieves or returns. So as you can see, it found target 8 at 4. So as an array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But let's play around with this a little bit because we only get a value of 4, right? But we want to see a little bit more information. And what we can do, we can play around with the console. So in here we can say let result is equal to linear search of r is numbers, target is 12, and now we can check if there is a result. So we can say if result is not equal to -1, we're going to print the result. So we're going to say print element found, oh sorry, this has to be a string, element found at index backslash, and then we're going to take the index and that's going to be the result. Else we're going to say print no result found. So now when we run this code, it's going to check, or the result is going to run the function, and it's going to store the integer that we retrieve, or it stores a -1. So if the result is not equal to -1, then we have an element at the index. Oh, let's change this to index. At result, and else no result found. So let's run this. Let's see what happens. Oh, and it found it right away. So at 5, element found at the index of 5. And don't forget, when you work with arrays, the first element is always the index of 0. The second one is 1. The third one is 2, fourth one is 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. Linear search can be used in various situations, especially when you're dealing with small lists or unsorted data. So for example, it can be used to find a specific record in a small data set. You search for a name and a list of attendees, or locate an item in inventory. And yeah, I know this was a really short video, but this is how linear search works in Swift. Of course, in the next couple of videos, because this is going to be a series on algorithms, we're going to work with different and more advanced algorithms as well. In the next video, we're going to talk about binary search. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please please subscribe to my channel, help me to grow. If you have any questions or topics you like us to cover, leave a comment down below, or join us in the Discord channel that is linked in our description. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.